Welcome to my channel. Today is 2nd of April 2024. So I have a new resistance I'm looking at on GBPUSD to say GBPUSD, and on gold, the support I'm looking at still remains the same. But before we start, this is my word for you today. This is what I believe that it helps you in forex trading, and I believe that if you apply it, it will also help you as well. So if you are still jumping from one strategy to another, this is the time for you to stop, because there is no way you will make money from forex trading jumping from one strategy to another. I have done it in the past and it didn't benefit me. I didn't get anything out of it. So that's my word for you today. If you are still changing strategy every day, jumping from one strategy to another, or using one strategy this month and next month you change to another one, stop it. It will not help you. What you have to do now is that particular strategy you know about or you are using, focus on that strategy and find out the win rate of that strategy. That's the first thing you should find out. Find out the win rate. If is the win rate 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, try find out the win rate of the strategy. Then if you find out the win rate, of the strategy, then try to check, okay, when the strategy confirm, how many risk reward ratio am I getting? If you are getting 1 to 3 for your risk reward, it means that if your strategy is working 40% all the time, you'll be in profit. You'll be a successful forex trader with that strategy. If your strategy is working 40% all the time and you are targeting 1 to 3 risk reward, you will be a profitable trader with that strategy. And if your strategy is working up to 50% all the time and you are targeting 1 to 2, you will also be a successful forex trader with that strategy. So that's what you have to think. Stop jumping from one strategy to another. Strategy is not the problem. Sometimes the way we manage the strategy, the way we think, our approach to the market is the problem. Our mindset. Because if your strategy is giving you, let me say, is working 50% all the time, so it means that if you take 10 trades, you will win 5 and lose 5, because it's working 50%, as in it has 50% win rate. Now, if you take 10 trades and win 5 and lose 5, you don't know how those trades might come. What I mean by you don't know how the trade might come is that 10 trades you are going to take, you don't know whether you will have 5 losses before the wins will start coming, or you don't know you will have first the 5 winnings before the losses will start coming, before the 5 losses will start coming. You don't know whether you will have 2 wins first, then maybe you have 5 losses before you have the rest of the wins. So you don't know how the strategy, the setup might come. So that's why you have to focus on using that same strategy. As long as the win rate is 50-50, you have to start using it, because you don't know how the trades are going to come, whether the winning will come first, whether the losses will come first. But if you keep using it, at the end of the day, it still boils down to you having 50%, 5 wins and 5 losses. And if you are targeting 1 to 2, you will definitely be in profit. So this is my word for you today. But think of it. Don't change your strategy. What you have to do first is check that strategy, the win rate of the strategy. Then if you check the win rate, then check the risk reward is given to you. Then calculate it with the win rate, whether you will be profitable with it. As long as that win rate is possible, as in whatever win rate you say that That's what the strategy is bringing. That's what it is. You will definitely be a profitable trader with the strategy. So let's go into my analysis today. I hope what I just said now, you found value in it. If you found value in it, comment yes, I found value in it. So let's go to my daily analysis for today, guys. I'm starting this analysis with gold, and I'm starting from daily time frame to the 15 minutes time frame. And after gold, I will do GBPUSD analysis. So this is gold, the daily time frame. So as I said before, the same level is what I'm still looking at. I'm still looking at the same support. So gold has not really retraced back or done anything. So I'm still looking at the same support. I'm not selling because I've not seen any sell confirmation. Everything about gold right now is uptrend. I know it might drop, but I have not seen any sell confirmation. So yesterday I predicted that if gold come into this level, that I'm going to look for a sell, for a buy. But unfortunately, it came in, but it didn't touch this shadow. It rejected somewhere here before the shadow. I think it rejected on this particular candle shadow. That's where it rejected and start moving this up. But it's okay. I'm not rushing it. I'm not entering the trade until my setup is complete. So this is another scenario that might happen here. You can see that this is a 4-hour time frame and gold dropped 3-second candlestick here. This is a new low. But as long as it has not taken out this high, this low is not valid yet. Cannot really call it a new low. But if gold break this high, here will be a valid lower low. So this is what I might do next, or I might look at if gold take out this high. So if gold take out this high, then I will wait for gold to retest on this zone. Then I will look for buy from this support. Then I'm not going to use this support again. This will be the new one I'll be looking at for. So it will be this, something like this. But I don't have all the data yet to point the exact level. But definitely I will be looking at this support to buy. So I want it to come back to this support for me to look for a buy. If gold take out this high, this is the support I'll be looking at for, not this one anymore. So, but I don't know whether this scenario will play out. But if it play out, this is what I will be looking at for. So this is another scenario here. Again, I might look out for if it plays out. You can see that this is the higher high and this is the higher low. But this higher low will be valid if gold take out this low. So if gold take out this low this way and retest back here, then here will be my new sorry guys, here will be my new resistance for sell. So I will be looking at this level to sell gold. So I'll be looking at this sell. I don't know where it might get to, but this is the level I'll be looking at to sell gold. If gold take out this low, and then I will start using this resistance to sell gold. So this is the scenarios I have on gold now. So I don't know the one that will play out, but you should also watch out for it and pay attention to these two scenarios. If any of them play out, I will follow up. And if this previous analysis that I have been doing since, if it plays out, I will also follow up. So let's see what will happen when we have more data on this gold. So this is a 15 minutes time frame. There is nothing to do here or to talk about here. Waiting for those scenario to play out on that bigger time frame, then I will come to this smaller time frame to look for my setup or to look for buy or sell. You guys always know what, as in, you guys already know what I always look out for. I will look out for head and shoulder, double bottom, or bullish engulfing. So this is the setup I always look out for to enter a trade whenever market get to those levels I'm looking at for. So this is GBPUSD, and this is daily time frame. So GBPUSD just yesterday it broke this low, this is the resistance I've been looking at for over a week now, but it didn't get to it. It rejected somewhere here. It didn't get to this, but now it has given me a new resistance to look out for. So this is the new resistance I'm looking at for. So I'm waiting for GBPUSD to come back to this boss. Then I will look for a sell on this resistance in smaller time frame. So it broke this yesterday. So this is 4 hours time frame. So on this 4 hours time frame, you can see it ranges here and broke down yesterday. So I'm waiting for it to come back to this resistance here for me to take a sell. So immediately GBP can come back to this resistance, then I'll go back to 50. I will go down to 15 minutes time frame, and at this level I will look for support. At this level I will look for head and shoulder or double top or bullish engulfing or W pattern to sell this GBPUSD at this zone. So guys, watch out for it. So this is my analysis for today and for GBPUSD and gold. So kindly subscribe to my channel if you are getting value from this video. Thanks guys, and God bless.